Hello and welcome to my page. In Powershell, the pipe, using a vertical bar symbol is a powerful feature that allows you to pass the output, objects, of one command as input to another command. This enables the creation of efficient and concise command pipelines, where the output of one operation seamlessly becomes the input for another. For example, to get a list of processes and output it to a text file, you can use the getProcess commandlet to retrieve the processes and then pipe the output to the outFileComplet to save it to a text file. There are some essential rules and considerations in piping to keep in mind. Object-based output. PowerShell commands typically output objects rather than plain text. The pipe passes these objects from one command to another, allowing for richer data manipulation. Output of one command to input of another. The pipe sends the output of the command on its left side to the input of the command on its right side. Command compatibility. Commands on both sides of the pipe should be compatible. The output type of the left command should be something that the right command can accept as input. Understanding object properties. When using the pipe, it's crucial to understand the properties and methods of the objects being passed. You often need this knowledge to manipulate the data effectively. Filtering and selecting properties. You can use the whereObject commandlet to filter results based on specific conditions and selectObject to choose specific properties. Pipelining multiple commands. You can chain multiple commands together in a pipeline to perform complex operations. Each command in the pipeline processes the output of the previous command. Format considerations. Be mindful of formatting. Some commandlets, like format table or format list, are used for displaying output but may change the underlying object structure, potentially affecting subsequent commands in the pipeline. Avoiding unnecessary commands. While the pipeline is powerful, avoid using it unnecessarily. Let's open PowerShell ISE and try to pipe some commands. In this example, let me use the getProcess commandlet to see all the running processes of my computer, and create an output.txt file called process in the temp folder of C. Remember, you must put the path inside a single or double quotes for PowerShell to understand it. Press F5 or hit the Run button. Let's check my temp folder, and there's our output file. This file should contain all the running processes of my computer. Let's try to pipe the selectObject command. Let's check our file. Let's say I only want to see handles and process names. Our command would be select, a shortcut for selectObject then handles, process names. Please remember to use comma in between the headers that you want to select. When using the outFile commandlet, there are several parameters that you can use on how you want your data to be saved. There are several ways how to check the available parameters. You can type hyphen then hit the tab key, or after putting the hyphen and using the IntelliSense feature of the ISE, it will automatically show the available parameters for your commandlet. In this example, I want to use the force parameter to completely update the text file every time I run this code. Let's check our file again, and there, only the two selected columns are showing. Another way of showing the data is to use the outGridView commandlet. It is used to display tabular or list data in an interactive grid view window is particularly useful for exploring and analyzing data directly in a graphical user interface. For our last example, let's try piping another useful commandlet, the whereObject. It is used to filter objects in the pipeline based on specified criteria. I want to show an output for all the processes related to Dell. To do this, I can use the whereObject commandlet. Inside the curly brackets, I'll put the $_ plus the parameter process name. I can choose like or EQ for equals, but since I don't have an idea of how many processes with the Dell word are running, I can use hyphen like then quote Dell asterisk quote. The asterisk symbol will serve as a wildcard character. It will match any string that starts with del, followed by 0 or more characters. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.